one of the jutes that I really enjoy working with. It's this heavy weave. And I actually discovered it because it was what, in Costa Rica, we have a product called Coffee Rica, a coffee liqueur, and it's what it was packaged in. So the jute, when I use this jute, they're usually smaller pieces, okay? But I like it. It gives the background a really interesting texture. And you know, the stamps don't have to be a design in themselves. They can be part of another design, the background. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use these textured designs. So I have some house paint in a tray, and I'm going to paint this jute. Brought my tray that I use for leaves or all my stamps, and I'm going to paint this piece of jute. And before I stamp on any project, I always like to stamp on a piece of painted canvas. This canvas is going to give me a similar texture to what I'll be working with on the canvas rugs. And also it's a great place to experiment and see how things are going to turn out and try different, just try different techniques. So I'm looking at this jute and I'm seeing that I can see the holes. There's no blobs of paint coming out. So I'm just going to turn it over and lay my rag over it and press down. I'm holding it with my hand and I'm pressing it down with the other hand. Again, when you're stamping, you want to be directly over your stamp. You don't want to be pushing this way. You could just push the stamp. And this is the, let me show you.